Welcome, everyone, to this exciting interior design video. Today, we'll be transforming a regular kitchen into a stunning modern luxury black kitchen using a range of exquisite components. Follow along as we showcase how to create an elegant space that exudes style and sophistication. Let's get started. The first step in creating a modern luxury black kitchen is careful planning. Assess the kitchen layout and determine the optimal placement of each component. Consider functionality, flow, and aesthetics. Our foundation starts with the cabinetry and countertops. We've chosen sleek black cabinetry that provides a contemporary look. Paired with black stone countertops, this combination sets the stage for a luxurious ambience. The kitchen island is a focal point in our design. It offers extra workspace and seating for entertaining guests. Above it, we'll hang striking black pendant lights, adding both functionality and a touch of drama. Next, we'll install a stylish black range hood above the stove area. It not only complements the design but also improves ventilation while cooking. For the backsplash, we've selected a patterned black tile, adding visual interest to the space. To create an inviting atmosphere, we'll incorporate under cabinet lighting. These subtle black LED lights will illuminate the workspace and provide a warm ambience. As for the flooring, we've opted for dark hardwood, enhancing the overall richness of the kitchen. Luxury is in the details. We've selected high-end black appliances that seamlessly blend into the design. The black sink and modern faucet complement the look while offering functionality. The organization is essential in a luxury kitchen. We've incorporated a spacious black pantry for storage. To keep the kitchen clutter-free, integrated black trash and recycling bins are hidden neatly within the cabinetry. A coffee station is a must for any luxury kitchen. We've set up a dedicated black coffee station complete with an espresso machine and storage for coffee supplies. Additionally, a built-in black wine fridge adds a touch of opulence for wine enthusiasts. For those cozy mornings, we've created a kitchen nook with comfortable seating. Black floating shelves have been installed to display decorative items and cookbooks, adding a personalized touch. Our range is a central piece in the kitchen, and we've chosen a black high-performance one to match the theme. A convenient black pot filler faucet above the stove allows easy filling of large pots without carrying them to the sink. To tie everything together, we've carefully selected black handles and knobs for the cabinetry. These small details contribute to the sleek design. And finally, we've added black glass display cabinets to showcase fine china or glassware, adding the perfect finishing touch to our modern luxury black kitchen. And there you have it, a modern luxury black kitchen that's as functional as it is beautiful. With careful planning and the right components, you too can create an upscale kitchen that wows everyone who enters. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.